This video is about how to connect the Bikkel up. Before you do, you'll need two tools. One is a wire stripper and the other is a screwdriver. Please ensure that your power is disconnected either via the trip switch or your main strip switch. What you're seeing here is a typical light switch, light box. I'm going to plug the power in just to show you. I'm going to switch it on. There it goes on and there it goes off. So on is on, off is off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the switch and put the Bikkel dimmer in this place. Okay, we're going to remove the one wire using the flat screwdriver, take the wire out. Then what we're going to do is connect the one wire from the Bikkel into the thing and tighten that up. Using a chock block, we're going to connect the one side of the other wire of the Bikkel, the line out, line 2, to the wire. It's connected. So this is now going to be able to dim the light switch using your existing light switch. If you've got a press light switch, switch it on, goes bright. It soft starts, so basically when it gets to the brightness you require, you switch the switch on and off. So watch. And there's the dim level that you require.